Metia watie for nyina yeda Nyankopɔn adaroma yeda nase se eja wame ye betwa weekend ede akoyenim nyame hire obi bia na mo nso so amohwe me samafo no nso so mon type eso ma no na mon subscribe nso so ye pa mo cho mon like ma no ejo bi bese se ayi Mahama ba e de ayi ahohombone na wo Ghana na ebi atiasi MPP for TikTok for ne ayi si nyina wo ayi diaspora so nti we de yesre mo amadaroma mesamafo ansa na mekoma semo so no mibusa Lawrence Tetteh say osuro nyame.
Good question.
Anase nyame no obo ni di na ode frɛ asofo nkaye ne say omumra no omume attack na ado no na ye nyame ben na no obo ni di ewiase nyame anase onyame a wo bo so ne asase no wo bo wo no Lawrence Tetteh eneme no na no wo frɛ na na onim se oye nyaatwom onim se oye the most selfish she Lawrence Tetteh me yan kan ba ko bincho ma me starting free was say wo party na wo kofa ne baaye no onye hwema Ghana da right from ne power bia ne tumi bia ne na yi bia wanya no de be ye vice president no de be ye president. Ghana hasn't benefit anything from him. He rather has benefited from Ghana than we benefited from him. So what did the person mention as Lawrence Tetteh? Woko fa ne ba ye na wo ma asofo nyina ne ansori makutia MPP leadership no. Adia MPP ya wonim say wo travel by Europe and according to what I know a little about you say what na UK krada. Na me person me busa say as we free say as a knowledgeable person leadership is continuously wo ko fa ne ba ye enema MPP ye nyina enka ewrem me busa wo ekimi busa sa wo fight ma Ghana for anasa wo fight ma wofu wo fight ma one kasa wo personality ani awiase hunyade a wo benya na me busa wo wia asole mana adwo mo collection adia asole bebi wo ade otia no otia Lawrence Tetteh nenso so afedie wa ba politics mu and wo destroy amanfo la wo tarnish amanfo life. Can you give me the one reason that I should have a patient for Mahama no me pass LGBTQ? As a knowledge as you are, when you say Lawrence Tetteh, you need facility of hospital be our Ghana. Na omo ye tumu no. So omo ye 190 yare. Wunim sa Lawrence Tetteh so wunim sa. Hospital ba na Mahama e dia mayen it say ayi tumu na wo dia ba Ghana se omo nya kwan. No mutumi kura ba meeting wo ho Independence Square. Onyame yenya fa hudie okronkro bia yenya fa hudie hona obia kokko gina ye welcome Ghana fa hudie wonim se Mahama eba so no hona mu kokko gina ye no mu kisi ye it presents say Mahama has come to power and he has given them a chance to do what they did. So wonim se Lawrence Tetteh it is telling them that to see an ekwanya bia ma wo because president no mo peno no eno waba na me sanso so abusa wo say oba Adam ye boy oba ene ye boy bema ye hu say if ni if aware ena Adam ni Adam aware. Lawrence Tetteh say if akwa fichira if okwa fichira ensuo bia e won hu bia no Lawrence Tetteh as a monthly session no dirtiness bia won hu bia eba out oni nukundo oye bibia o ensuo bia ye fun bia ko oba no bia no empanifo amudidi mu fancheme onyame ebe mana ba because okuta ekwan mienu. Lawrence Tetteh tumu na was president na wo fa ne ba wade atom no. Let me ask you a question. Woman ensuo me mansuo no ko mo e fa he na eba. You know that you are wicked. You want to kill Ghanaians. You want to destroy innocent children. Wouldn't say president na wo pamono no wakofa president na wo so wo peno because obo be appoint am when you juicy brand akwa kose no when you juicy ama wo ni wabusuafo because we a greedy bastard. Wouldn't say sa president na wo no dada no sa president no wanji tumu no anye dai antum de tosunsusu biemu susu no one can't you obi say on sign ade no nti efe ba ne sign ye bisa efe eba ne sign nti wo kofa Mahama na wode ne baaye na Mahama na wo so wo pe no ontumi sign ade no ye bisa e kire say e ya ade a munyina mo plane ye na point si bi kura ko say ye koto aba mo jige tuma na mo jige ntum One point here, or yeah, you can say, Mr. Malfon Timika, Koba Boame. Or could that tabroqua, to me, could you not catch it almost on to me vote to only on to me take decision?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah.
And I'm a fan by. Says a CIA in Ayadi so. Now what can I see now do image? Now would de Mahama ba? Ye bisaw Mahama hasn't got a ball. Ye catch yourself Mahama ball sadan in antamu only be on to mean sign because he's in that game. Lawrence Tetteh Mahama is in that game. He cannot sign. Na branamin show the reason tia Mahama on to mean sign. Now we destroy MPP. But MPP abano Oshe enkola Lawrence Tetteh to see ya in Mahama era ya ye woman. She come dia di Ghana for enkola. She tax ahudwa Mahama edi belly Ghana. And so Lawrence Tetteh as wise as wusu ye. One who nyansa say na nado era na COVID wo ho. Na bibia wo ho ensuo epo plane enkomba. Se see a de kofa ne ba bibia koba o. Bibia koba na nado pay teachers for 9 good months to 1 year. Lawrence Tetteh. The okofa ni ba ye no kone kwada dwene papa me wia na me de dia ka kire atwa so. Me du jimi be ma. Me ka kire say na do de na plane ko airport na districting e wo ho. Me ko Ghana COVID time me brain kasa. Lawrence Tetteh na do pay every teacher, every nurses, every doctor. Nana do pay them. He didn't starve them. Kwakwa want to so that. And then I'm to me catch some man. It doesn't matter how qualification you have. Me and someone who paid no tire wabono. Some of you can be nonsense. Mumubino. Ya dimu ye be and ye will be assay. So I said, the empress me say. What buy you buy no? Ah, war yes, and ye ma when you nana mu support to man buy. One who say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumiana, Mosu wa repreko wa ye dear, wa ye, Quadra Buama yet Togo was reserve. Lawrence Tetteh, listen. Reserve. What by folk and cano, what by Jimmy now go find by Lawrence Tetteh. And ya good yana da wana ya debo a man who bano and warrior tongue. Lawrence Tetteh. So should I applaud you? What's the Mahama time? No fancy bill, no. We Jimmy for papa. A channel woo one a yacha four a yacha Lawrence Tetteh. I put it to you. Say, Nyansa, I your friend Nyansa wouldn't need back cry. A you were fool, and I would yes, propaganda na Mahama de buy. Na me catch her would ne a dray. As so can me, I'm someone say. Heaven will judge you. Heaven will put a curse on you, and the land of Ghana will reject you, Lawrence Tetteh, because you have deceived the innocent children. Mahama, ade turumu, akwase kalikola mu wo school mu say yemfanchire enkolade na nadu ye bi. Lawrence Tetteh mi busaw. Nipa na wo pam no ama na free leadership mu. Oye bi, wanye bi. one fa kale you get and tunumu and kwase enkola de suam say yen kyerɛkyerɛ wo. That means you are a fool. We are you come out as you can't say a sheep clothing. Meanwhile, you are a radi brofonumla. We are fox, so you can't say.
Yes, false, yeah.
So what you say? We are buabia, just a ripataku, a buapataku, we and I would grind woman at the draw would they buy or the pump. That is the kind of person you are. And I continue saying that heaven will reject you and the land of Ghana also will reject you. So what you say? Mo bomb paye, mo destroy MPP, adia no mo ye. That restriction mo ye. Emma, I'm not for disappointing another. And the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sono. And no namu ba mu be benefit ye. Nene America, Israel and Iran kwa musi yanya mudan musi affect Ghana. So one can't say president na ni tiko do say a year sini so no say one Ghana for no titi Ghana for Alex at Lolinsete munyina mu be pay price na me be ejako so ejako wonim say we the most selfish and greedy bastard munim kan ni nyina mudi the best. Hwe me ka kire mu ne e ka hye Nyankopon a me som no e say it doesn't matter how tarnish Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia image. He has preserved onyamia to tona kwan wa preserve no na me tina ha ka hye Nyankopon ni monyam say oguso a preserve Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me ka obi atie me samafu owiase afana bia say obia fa ne kotodwe enko no onko so ambon paye emfa mama o magana say ye betumi enya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ababua because yenim say do obeye ma Ghana fo no esombo esene bibia otumi bua na nado e ma ne tumi reserve gold e de maye amenne wona wose wo fra wo hu say wo baje wo ma Ghana e de asi ho abakura tumi awia ade a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eyeye na mibusa wa wutie mi say wutie mi wo ma Ghana wutie mi wo diaspora say samude ne ye president adi ntumi wontumi nye. So please I urge every one of you, I urge every each of you some bompaye ediama papa no na adamo ne honhom na omakofa dia ba Ghana Solomon Gomoria na mo dia ba Ghana onyame wo ni nyina wo enkogupum e wo Yesu Kristo dinimu adafo ne atiefo mumma ye nyina ye no ye man sika ye mfa nko babie wiase agapade ye mfa nko babie yebede ne nyina agya ho ne ya yeden di akọ so what me dia make kire mu yebede ne nyina emfote ene bedi ye nam Alex Lolinsete kosoa na bo wa bana baso go se wonni single love e de magana ni bia campaign na wo ye ni nyina na ye wafu campaign na wo ye ni nyina na ye selfish na wo fra Mahama so me destroy Ghana and God will not watch all of you who bomba ye say Mahama me Ghana japade nyina Lolinsete Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obeba MPP will come back and support the innocent Ghanaians. MPP will bounce back. No matter what the only be. Na mi be tria mu nyina moka. Na me catch also wutina so no won no mon kwan. As Mr. Mafo said, won no mon kwan ti chimie e bata wakoma ho. Emuwa bisa. Mr. Mafo me da se nyame nhira wo.
Me da onso asema me nyame nhira wo nso. Me ma me Esther me da se pa a great contribution for the aba nyame nka ho e wo ba bia wo bia. Ai. Ento aso na ya. Miwia Anthony mesewa oba na wonte se meka